Now let's do this. Let's just display the hello2 command again. So I'll just do a cast to display the commands, and I'll explain something here. Now, Nextflow by default executes commands using bash. That's the default program. All right. So this is a bash command. We did not specify anything. So Nextflow will use the bash. We'll use bash to execute it. But it's possible that some of you may want to issue maybe Python commands or R commands or Perl commands or whatever. It's possible to do that in Nextflow. So all I have to do is to add an additional information to tell Nextflow that this command should be executed with Python. All right. So that's what we are going to do next. So we are now going to write hello world script again, but this time we will use Python to display the contents. All right, you will use Python to display the hello world. Okay, and then from there, if you want to use R or Perl or whatever, you can also use that. I will just demonstrate with Python and then you can proceed. Okay, so let's continue. Now let's do this. Let's just copy the script. I'll copy the hello2. You can also copy the other one. I'll just say hello. Let's say python.nf. That's what I'll use. All right, I'll do an ls. So I have that also copied. All right, so I'll do this. That's what I'll do. I am going to edit it and show you how to add that information. All right, so in your process, okay, just after your 3 double quotes, you add this shebang line. So this is it. I'll say /user/bin/python. Okay, and then you can now enter your Python commands here. It's also possible to add another process, okay, and then just use that, but I just want to edit just one here to make it simple. So instead of using the echo, this time we'll use a Python command itself. So I'll say print hello world. All right, like this. You can also use single quotes if you want. It still works. Let's try that. Let me add a single quote. If that's what you want, you can also do that. That's fine. So now Python will be used to execute the scripts. All right, this is it. Now let's exit and save the changes. Now, if you are not sure of the path, all right, let's do this. If you're not sure, you can just say which Python. If you have Python installed, you can say which Python, okay, to display where it is, and then you can modify and then add that here. So mine is /user/bin/python. All right, so that's what I have here. Okay, so that's what I've done here. So we can do that. So now I'm going to run Nextflow again. Okay, and then I'll just say Nextflow is the same one. So Nextflow run. This time it's hello python.nf admin-process.echo, and then I'll execute it. So this will display it for us. So we have that here, hello world. All right. Okay, so that's how we do it.